Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to fill in the managerial details as part of the complete profile section within the employee directory in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the employee directory, he or she can click on the complete profile section of any employee in order to fill in the necessary details for the profile to be completed. Here, the managerial details can be updated by clicking on the managerial details section within the complete profile option, and all the managerial details for the same can be entered. Once the direct manager, line manager, and all the other admin and HR Spock personas are mentioned and the role is specified, the user can save the managerial details for this particular profile, and the green tick against the managerial details is displayed, and the profile completion score is also updated for the particular employee. Thank you for watching.